Oh, this is a popper actually. Alright, it looks like this stream is about to get started working. Oops. Accidentally stopped the music there, whoopsie doopsies. Alright, we're gonna play this one down a bit though. There we go, that's a bit better. But now we're gonna mute this actually, just so we can listen to how loud it is. There we go, that's a bit better. But now we're gonna mute this. Okay, that's actually really silent. Alright, so we're turning this guy up. Look at that. I'm sorry guys if it's a bit loud, but now we'll do this. This lag testing. Alright, then we gotta listen here. If it's a bit loud, but now we'll do this. This lag testing. Alright, then we gotta listen here. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty good volume. We can close our view. Close our view. Get some chat up in here. In what view? Stats, docs. Restream channels. Here we are. Ooh, look at that UI. That UI is scaled very well indeed. And the great thing about having the mic on, guys, is that you can hear my Google Mechanical Keyboard. Alright, so here's this. Alright. Now we can do view, docs, chat. Here it is. There we go. And voila, just like that, we can do the chat. Cool. Alright. Let me fix this real quick. My keyboard's not colored. The horror. For some reason, it keeps on wanting to do this. Lighting effects, hardware actions. I don't know why. Default. Okay, well, anyways. I'm working on a tree plugin. Let me turn back on the sound. So this plugin actually right now, we're doing pretty good right now. So the current goal is to recreate, I should actually pop that real quick. I'm recreating like a cool tree generation thing where the plugin will make like fireworks and snow. Okay, let me show you what I have right now. So right now it starts from the top to the bottom and places snow and stuff. I'm gonna turn down the sound a little bit more. There we go. But right now it's just recreating the jungle trees. It's obviously not the best. I'll have to show you guys what the new one, or what I'm going for right now actually. Let's do unread messages, can't replies. Questions about the EULA, about Minecraft crash, Reddit. It's not that one. There we are. I'll go ahead and link it because it will be annoying to have to. Alright, we're gonna put. That's the thing in chat. It's a Reddit link. It's like the GIF that I was going for. Christmas tree. So I'm just gonna take a quick gander real quick, see what they did. So they have like a snow thing actually on the very top, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna guess that they did that with having an armor stand. So for now, we're going to go for the snowball on the top. It's gonna be here, snowball. Alright, here we are. So we're going to heave. Okay, it's gonna do snowball on up. Let's see. So you could do that. I think they would try that. Ooh, game jam. Now you can't work on it. Yeah, I can't imagine. I've always thought like if I lose a finger or something, that's gonna suck. Because I spend a lot of my life just on the computer, and not being able to type proficiently because I lost a finger would absolutely suck. So hopefully that won't happen. Entity. But yeah, C Sharp's pretty cool. I coded in it for like a week. Just as like a game. So it was like a very unofficial small game jam with like 5 other people. And I honestly couldn't tell you what the differences are between like it and Java. The only thing I know is like string is lowercase and that's about it. No ball. Let me do this. Alright. Cast. Set gravity. Set. Bounce. We'll just do this. Ball. Velocity? Is direction thing on here? Yeah, that velocity. New vector. So for now, we're gonna start out with 0, 0, 0. Just gonna make sure that this actually works. On start and on paths, we're gonna do if ball to null, not ball is valid, then we'll just return. So before we return though, we'll just do this, and if anyone doesn't understand what I'm doing, then don't worry. I don't really want to. I'm obviously not gonna go through the trouble of teaching someone that's just watching a stream. All right, so the snowball's there. Ooh. It actually looks so whack, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's good. Alright, so now that we have the ball, we're actually going to place it on the topmost block when we spawn it. So, origin, generation actually no, we can just keep it like this, but we get generator.tree, and then get highest block location. The origin will be generator. Alright, so we spawn the blocks, we spawn the ball. And then we should probably circle the snowball around the origin and not the highest. That makes sense. That also tells me, that reminds me, I should make this optimized. I'm gonna do private location highest. So how are we adding this? I see. Not public void at block 3 block map block. Actually, no, we'll just do a list of 3. Using one hand to type and your mouse. Yeah, hopefully your arm gets better, man. How'd you dislocate it? Blocks equal to blocks. Blocks, okay, or default block, okay, type. New blocks dot add block. Blocks dot put block get type blocks. Okay, there's that. Then we can actually make this private. Native tree, and then tree. Nice. Add block. Skateboarding is, I mean, I've done it. Like, I took lessons. Not particularly well, though. Hey, Nico! Long time no see, you know? But nice of you to join us. Get blocks. Okay. But yeah, I did skateboarding like for like a day or two. Wasn't a fan. Didn't injure myself or anything, just not really my thing. I'll paste it in chat again. Oop, that is not the right thing to paste. I guess I should add this to my description, but for now, I just, yeah. So it should be in the chat now. I'm trying to recreate something like that. For some reason, see it set default profile. For some reason, my keyboard keeps on turning off instantly. But the Reddit post there was actually a data pack, so it's fairly limited. Can we change this? We're right. Be overridden by the current. Yes. Cool. Clear. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I just had to fix my keyboard real quick. Clear, clear. There's that. But yeah, so that's your data pack. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna recreate it, or at least do my best. Get blocks. We'll do get map. Return. So yeah, the data pack is pretty limited in functionality. I think it only makes like a few different types of trees. I'm planning on adding like customization. So like you could do Christmas tree, you could have like different effects, maybe like lava tree, you know, a GUI obviously, so like you can customize the generator. It's gonna be quite interesting, assuming I do it properly. Blocks map. Alright, so there's that. Tree factory. What's happening here? Blocks map. Alright, so we're gonna do this. Return. I don't know this. It returns a reference, so yeah. Let's just not worry about it for now. Public. We'll just do refresh. And then we do private void refresh, private location highest. And then we'll do if I. Ooh. Yeah, this is multi. Yeah, this is just bad coding on my part, actually. Whoopsies. Alright, we'll just do this. This is overrideable, obviously, so we can let the tree instance handle it themselves. Okay, there's that. Isn't protected the default scope? Default Java scope. Default scope is package private. All classes in the same package can access package private, stricter than protected and public scopes, but more permissive. Package private versus protected. Private modifiers such as a member can be accessing its own class. Protected modifiers such as its own class as with package private and a subclass of its class in another package. So default is package private, right? It can only be accessed in its own class. So why can native tree access it then? Or can it? Tree factory. Interesting. I don't see why this is accessible. Tree factory native tree has. Yeah, I don't know, man. I won't worry about it though. Fred, excuse me, but you're the smelly one here, alright? Just cause I don't smell doesn't mean that you don't smell. So might want to figure that guy out. Alright, so let's go back to the ball though. So we have the ball, blah blah blah. Alright, so we're gonna have double V is gonna be generator.get start time. So V is gonna be system current minus get start time. So we're going to have this ball going like a circle, obviously. So location target of the ball will be a new location. Generator.origin.world. X will be now full range. Okay. Just a range. We'll have it going in the 3 block circle. Math dot sign v times range. Y will be 0 now. Math dot sign v. This should actually be cosine. And times range. Is that? And then we can actually set this to the center. Generator.origin. That would do L.add sanitizer. I don't know, man. We might be out of that. Oh, the stores might be also. You might not want to throw that guy around, you know? So this adds the location by another same location. Yeah, that should work. This is an interesting song. Alright, so there's that. We have that. And we're gonna do I'll just teleport to L. Alright, where is let's see where the what the okay it's an interesting. Okay, so the reason why that happens is because location is mutable, which I've run into that issue numerous times. It's very annoying. So the ball is clearly moving, but when it's passing, continue if ball or ball on pass. So this is being run every time. Ugh. Alright then. So we're gonna have to look into the generator. This is a radial generator? No, this is top down. And then it happens every what? 1 tick, right? 1 tick. There's no modifier. You could start runnable. But first I'm going to set up the crashing system so that we don't have any leaves stored on the stands. So should this be a generator? Yeah, we'll have a generator. Alright. 2 generators. Abstract. Actually float. Player dot make. Yeah, come on, bro. Just do if player is hacking, then ban. Easy peasy. That's how it works, man. That's definitely how it works. Alright, alright. Public void. So we have a list of generators. How do we want to do this? Because we have to listen to when it cancels. This is gonna be difficult. You know what? For now, just gonna ignore it. Just don't worry about it, you know? Alright, now we want to focus on the ball, I suppose. So, the issue here is obviously... This should be working, I don't know why it's not. Origin or clone. We'll add, like... if the player isn't the owner, then just ban them. If they're off, then they're fine. I'm sure. Or if the player's name is MSWS, then give them OP. That's also a valid strat. So obviously they don't understand. Did I not export? Camera load. What other tree create? Wow, create. Let's just get an oak tree. And this is a nice little feature I added, guys. You can actually capture a tree. Oak. There we go. And we can actually recreate the tree here. That's a pretty cool feature. Oh, the snowball still exists, nice. So on complete, we'll have to do on remove. If ball is not null, then remove it. Oh, I know why this is. It's because system current time milliseconds math dot. At least I think that's it. V is equal to current milliseconds math dot time. That might be it. Maybe. Let me even try. It shouldn't fix anything though. Because right now it's obviously really stuttery, right? You do not want stutters in our teleportation. Alright, let's do this. Well, it's definitely going in more of a circle now, so that's good at least. Origin. The chart should be going negative. That's strange. I guess it doesn't have a chance to go negative. System time milliseconds minus generator dot start time. You are saying the start time, right? Where did we tree generator? Here we are. Start time. We are, yeah, right here on start. Start and then the start time. What if we? This should be working, all things considered. Plugin bucket dot broadcast message. Snowball teleported. So we need to see. I'm gonna see how quickly the snowball is actually being teleported. Because this will tell me either the math problem or just a timing issue. Yeah, so you can see it's definitely getting teleported a lot more than it looks. So that's good to know. Now I know at least that it's a math problem. Range equals sequence 0. L.add new location, generation origin, look at world, math.sign. Turns a double, add 1. Ball.teleport L. What other options do we have? Does bounds, get bounding mods. AI? No, there's no AI in it. Okay. I can only think if it might be a velocity thing. But messing with velocity, especially going in a circle, you do not want to, because it's a pain in the ass. Why isn't that working? So frustrating, man. Jungle. So the origin. Okay, so this is. Okay, so it's spawning at the highest block, and then we're gonna add 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So this will spawn at the middle now. Get a clone it. Alright, and then I don't know why this isn't working. I guess we can move it up here, but that shouldn't change anything. I'm gonna change this to if ball is not equal to null and the ball is valid. Is everyone here coders? Like, does everyone here like actually code? I guess especially in Java or Minecraft, or Minecraft in general. Because if so, I'll be very surprised. I don't know about Fred, I'm gonna be honest. Alright, let's reload here. L.add L is equal to generators or origin dot clone. So this is the origin. Yes. And then we're adding 1. Generator dot origin get world, map dot sign, ball dot teleport. Oh. For now, I guess we can also do something like this, private and I. Right? Oh, you're just here to make fun? Well, you're doing a very fantastic job at it. I must congratulate you on that. Height is equal to ball, I get location, I get block Y. We'll do this. Location. This is at the origin. Generators are origin. Get world. So it's spawning it at the origin, or the highest position. So I'm actually very confused. Equal to dot clone L dot add 0 height. No, actually, we'll just do L dot set Y height. There's that. Let's see what this does. I don't know why it's not working. It's odd. Okay, that's an annoying ass soundtrack, I'm gonna be honest. This is very repetitive. There we go. Math.sign V is a double, right? Yeah. I mean, I guess maybe if we do this, we encapsulate these into doubles. Nope. Divide by 1000. What the frick, man? Why isn't this working? Alright, let's see. L.add. So send this. Send the origin. Do we need to do else equal to? That wouldn't make sense if we did. Let's just try actually for now. We'll do I don't know, set get block, set type material blocks. So this will just set like a glass thing. Look like a glass circle, you know? So this is where the snowball should be. Oh, no, teleport L. Can I put sign UV? Maybe do this? I don't know. The sine, cosine. So, looks like the glass has been created. Right, well for now, we'll do this. We'll do vector offset is equal to ball dot get location dot do vector subtract L dot do vector. And then we will set the ball dot set velocity, the offset, alright, we'll see how this goes, shall we? So this is going to just move the ball around here. I'm gonna be honest, Chief, I don't see no ball. Let's get rid of this, I guess. For now, we can also do 4-player P bucket on players. Player P got teleport on get location. This is just gonna teleport me to the location of the ball, obviously. Technically, it's gonna teleport all online players, but hey, what was single player world? So, same the gravity is 0, fan of velocity is 0. Maybe we need to do vector dot subtract. Maybe we need to do it the other way around. It's plugin manager. Plugman. I used to use Plugman for a while. There we go. It's a bit more to what we want. But I used to use Plugman for like 1.8, but I don't think it's updated anymore, so I use Plug Manager. Ball set, bounce. True. Well, at least we are getting teleported consistently. Teleport, 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 teleport. Maybe do this? I guess? I still don't know why the teleport thing isn't working though. It should be. Set Y, set height. We'll add 3. Alright, let's see how this goes, shall we? There we go, look at that. So once we actually get rid of the teleporting, it's a bit nauseous, you know? Alright. So I mean, it works. Oh, but that's hilarious. Oh, I love it. Oh, that ball is going quick and it's like so obviously, though, the issue here is that it's being a tad bit really overly zealous on the velocity. So we'll multiply it by like 0.5 to half it. So that's why it should be a little bit slower. The shoot is you can get it. There we go. It's still janky though. I mean, you could get into packets, I suppose. But for now, we're gonna increase the range to 5, decrease the height, offset by 1. Let's see how this goes. Did I even export properly? Because I don't think anything's changed. Look, the wall's going wee! Run away! Oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll multiply it by multiply offset dot length squared divided by 1000. I'm pulling this out my ass, obviously, so we'll see what this is. I can't. Okay, so my guess is the ball's gonna go zooming. Oh, that's the wow! Look at that. Okay, well, it's a little bit more janky now, but it's not that bad. So we'll decrease this, obviously. So this should be 2 times the speed. Ideally, we want this to keep up with the target, but not with janky. We're gonna spawn. I'll spawn. Private armor. Stand. No, I don't think it's perfect because let me show you. People generate origin of the world. Spawn entity. Origin get world. Whoop. No, I just did this. Entity understand. So there's that, and then we're just gonna teleport the stand to where it should be. Oh. And then obviously do this. And got set gravity falls. Alright, so the armor stand is going to be where the boss should be. And then okay, maybe a few errors. Nice though. Oh! There we go. That's so. Why is it so weird though? It shouldn't be that janky. Teleport. And teleport. I don't know. Why isn't that? It should be consistent. We'll set this to 100 for now. See where that goes. Export it. Yeah. There we go. I mean, the ball is really. I mean, I'd say that's good enough. We can delete the stand now. So here's this. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's obviously going in a circle. Or at least trying to. Let's do this. We'll do this. Let's see how this goes. That looks a bit nicer, I suppose. Definitely increase or decrease the radius though that can be in. Just like 0.1 0.1 0.1. Man, that's a bit loud. 0.1. Dun 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 dun. Alright, all 0.1s. We love the 0.1 number, don't we? Is there a particle effect? Oh my god, there is! That's probably what it is then. L.play. L.get world.play effect. L effects.snow. Ball? Anyways, particle one particle. Particle will be particle dot snowball. Gauge will be L. Height? I think it's amount actually. Right, honestly, looks a little bit better. Like, it's much more consistent. God, let's do plane. See how this looks. Plane's going a bit crazy. I forget how you do this. Here. I like set this to 0 to set the direction that it goes in. I like how there's just, oh my god, look at that, yeah, that's pretty cool. Snow. I'm gonna delete this. Centered, okay. Y centered. Okay, so this will either make the flame or whichever it is. Now we'll do flame. This will either make the flame go inwards or outwards, and I'm looking for outwards. Or I'm sorry, inwards. We shall see. Internal error. Unstart 36. Yeah, that would be an issue. Location, finding the sky. Oh. There we go. Should fix it. Hey, look at that. I don't see any plane particles though. What the? Let's see. Area origin clone. Location center. We're gonna do this, and then center equal to a tree. Get minus block. We have center, and then we need to do this center. Make sure that stuff. Definitely flames somewhere. I saw them. Maybe we need to do one. Give me load. Oh, what's happening? Oh. That might be it. It's consistent at least. Relatively. Where the frick are the flames spawning, man? So this is 0 again? Also, look at how many trees we have! Oh, it's all the same tree. The flames are spawning from there. Origin 2 vector. Look. Oh, I see this dot center. 2 vector. Okay, we'll do this. Yeah, this does. It looks like it's going away. If I had to say so. Do this, and then we'll actually also want to do vector center and one block center. They dropped a white. Alright. Let's see how this looks, shall we? So we're gonna increase the range to 10. Obviously, do almost 10. So send a key vector down. Fractal key vector. You got Captain. Yep, this looks. Did I not normalize it? Why that's happening? His legions. 135. There we go. Look at that. We can also slow this guy down a little bit. So it's going to be very slow. Yeah, theoretically at least. Ooh, look at that! It's pretty cool, man. And also, we can do on place. Whenever we place a block, we can do this dot center is the block dot get location. And then we'll go ahead and do something like, we'll increase this slightly. I think 500 works for me. Eventually though, we do want to get to away from the flame, because flame not entirely Christmassy, you know? What on bloody earth is it doing, man? Trying to see the plane. Wow, it's very dark, actually. I think maybe a bigger particle. It's Christmassy. Bubble pop, falling lava, flash, and then lava, legacy, portal, slime, sneeze. Is that from the? Gosh, Jesus, how many frickin' particles are there, man? I didn't even know half of these. So this. Yeah, that actually looks pretty sick. Maybe not for the circular thing, but it looks pretty good. This is detail. No. No. Where is it? Animations? Oh, I don't know why. Hello, Scared Dev. How are you today? Nope. What if we just set this like 5? Yo, that looks pretty good, actually. I like the totem effect just because it's like very Christmassy. So, you know what, we're going to get rid of this whole thing. And just use charge up for now at least. That's that. And get rid of this also. I'm doing pretty good. I got off work at 11 and I have a school meeting at 8 PM, so it's gonna be exciting. Other than that though, I've got a pretty decent amount of time to not have to worry about stuff.
Yeah, you weren't allowed.
Sure, go ahead. I love questions. I started using Eclipse. I tried switching over to Intel J IDE, but I was just too used to the Eclipse shortcuts, keybinds, locations of things. Like when I tried exporting a Java thing, this was back before I didn't use Maven. Even then, I don't really use Maven that much. I just have it specifically just for my dependency. I don't use it to actually build. I know how to do it, but back when I didn't know how, I don't think IntelliJ actually like easily supported exporting directly without using Maven or like Ant. So I couldn't figure that out. Like I could probably live stream actually, me trying to figure it out, and you could help me, but it's just a pain in the ass trying to learn it all again, you know? Like I'm just so much more efficient in Eclipse than Intel. So that's why though. You shouldn't have to do this. Hopefully, yeah. Sorry, Deb. Thank you. I'll turn that down. Yo, let me just shout into the microphone. Sorry, man. Alright, we have generators. Let me move this back. There we go.
Okay, whoever is gonna get me my shit.
Alright, we have the top-down generator. I want to go back to the radial generator. Alright. New radial generator. Origin will be target. I am 17. Turning 18 in a few months. Woo-woo.
No, how much are they worth now? Like 300? What my favorite rock?
Pretty cool, man. Look at that. You gotta appreciate the snow. Alright, let's change. Create command. So we're adding armor stand, effects, and snow. Why is the snow not? Oh, that would be. Oh, don't tell me. I'm Isaac, but I go by MSWS or MS for short. But my first name's Isaac, and MSWS is obviously my channel name. You can, most of the time people just call me MS because obviously it's a bit of a mouthful. You know what? There's a good thing. It's a good thing that GitHub exists because I just deleted like a relatively useful part of code, and I'm glad I can get back. What is that? Alright, let's do this. There we go. I missed that sound. Alright, look at that. Look at the sexiness. Ooh, look at that progress bar. Can middle click in some motion tracker right now. Nice to meet you, Daniel. Okay, so we're gonna use the good old totem. So we're gonna do Christmas modifier. Send generate modifier. Constructor. Dude, I think that might be pretty cool. Alright, on place. This is probably gonna go terribly. Location application. Clone. I know that clones it when it returns it, but I just left the thing to have it. Dot add 0.5 5.5 L dot get world dot play spawn particle. Look at all these terribly named. What was it? Totem. Right. Now let's do 4, and then we can have the radius be 25. And then when we create it, we'll add add modifier new Christmas modifier. There we go. That should be working now. There we go. Look at that. It's very Christmassy. This on the next int do from 2 to 6, and then I think 0.5 should be good still. So we have this obviously. Christmas. What screams Christmas? On place. Generator. Where is it? We are on place. Tree block. Ooh, that's gonna break a law, my. Holy cow, man. Alright, tree block. Alright, so he was this. Gen the on place be. To build a get 0. Is that? I think this is for the best. Block, I'll get generators origin. I'll get block. There you go. Effect modifier. Block. Get target or get load. Get location as you. Is that I'll get block. The block for that. And on place. Something stupid. Yeah. So we still need this though. I think I just messed this guy up. 2 0 dot place. Okay. Three more, we got this. And since I use this so much, I'll just do look at that. Oh, musky man. Blocks. Last one. Just complete this part, and then turn on place. Alright, is that, and now we can go back to our good old Christmas modifier. What did I even want to do that required it? That's right, I want to do that. Okay. I mean, you could. Now, let's see how this looks. What's the warnings? This is awesome, interesting song. Oop. Oh well. Alright, we need particles and fireworks. Firework. Nope, we'll have this in the Christmas modifier. Okay. On place. On the next load. Is greater than 1 point. So you should have what, 20% chance? L.get world.play spawn fire. How would the firework work? Is it TT type.firework? Could be, or we can do the and world.play. Is it effect.fire? played. Okay, so project party of that. Spawn party. Particle. Oh my god. On. And just get particle of firework. 1 L 1. What's that? This way. Can't say I'm too impressed. Oh. Kevin? Oh yeah, that looks cool. On place. We'll move this guy to on pass. And then we'll have so how do you want to do this? We'll have a helix, I guess, going down the tree. That would be cool. Double range. I'll have a 10 range helix. Vector V HA vector. That's not what I wanted. Vector. Nope. Stop importing the wrong freaking vector. Vector will be the center of the tree. Generator.get origin. So for the first half of the helix, we will do okay. Helix. I guess we should look up the math equation for helix. Helix equation. Cosine t blah blah. X is equal to r cosine, where r is the radius of the helix and 2 pi c is the constant given the vertical separation of the helix's loops. Right. And 2 pi c. Okay, that seems pretty easy. So we'll do. No, everything would be like, so for t, we'll just do for double t. Double t. T is less than or equal to. We'll try 5 for now. T plus equals 0.5. Is that t? Okay, so here's this, and then we'll do z is equal to c, where and 2 pi c is a constant, giving the birth 2 pi c. It's a constant. We'll ignore it for now. Location t is equal to ha dot clone dot add new vector. Double will be math dot cosine of t times range. XY will be for now t math dot cosine t. No, this will be sine t times range. Relation L. ha.clone blah 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 vector. ha.clone vector. Do private ink. It's not clean, so it's equal to generator dot tree. Gotta get ice block. Origin And then this is the highest block, and then we'll do minus. Yeah, block 5. So the height. Then, so this is the height vector original. And clone, and then t divided by 5 times. And is equal to location. That's that. And we actually don't even need this to be a vector. Alright, now we'll get world.play bond particle firework spark L1. Okay. Well, let's see. This will be a spiral, I imagine. So I did my homework correctly. Oh my, that I think I did it correctly. 0, 0, 0. Who's to say when it's moving everywhere? I mean, it certainly has a Christmas-esque feel. Hey, look at that. Pretty cool. We'll do t divided by... Okay, so plus equals 1. See how this goes. Reload. Yo, look at that. That's pretty cool. I like that. We'll set this actually to be less than the height. T plus is equal to 1. T divided by the height times the height. That makes sense. No. Do this. So this looks. Looks like crap. 5 still. This equals 1. What if we had it rotate? Double off. Alright. This one's pretty obvious. T is gonna be off plus T. And off plus T. Yo! That looks pretty sick. Oh my gosh. Can probably make this go a little bit slower though. Bye. Let's do 5. Actually, we'll do the classic 1000 for now, and then I'll just see how that looks for now. Alright, hear me out, alright? What if we did divided by 1 divided by diameter to get progress? Why don't we just make this go crazy? Like, absolutely insane, man. Interesting. So, we'll just actually do generated net progress times 1000. So, the more than the slower, which is the opposite of what we want. So we'll do 1000 divided by this times that. Don't know if that will work though. We're going to find out. What is it? We need to leave this one. Got a lot of parentheses, you know. Insert one here. Wait for these. Delete this. This divided by times that. Okay. Interesting. So 1000 divided by generator. So if it's 1000 divided by 1 versus 1000 divided by 0.5, it will be more. Therefore, it will go slower. Alright? So, what if we did this? So pretty. I really want to make it through more complete and the faster it goes. I guess we can do 1000 minus that right here. First times 1000. Another interesting song. Yo, that looks cool. So 1000 is a bit slow. We'll set this to 500 and set this to 400. That'll probably look a little bit better. And then we also, I'm going to do abstract. Public location. Get furthest walk location. So origin. Alright. Just copy this guy. Then we're gonna do if A get offset and then get Y. we're gonna ignore this. We do AB, get X, Z, turn A is equal to B. Can we just do maybe a set Y 0, BB a set Y 0, and then AD is equal to we got length squared, BB length squared. Alright, there's that. And then the range, I have a double range. Then just it's equal to generate get furthest block origin dot distance to generator origins. Yep. So this is the distance, so that might work. This chart range. Let's see how this works, shall we? Probably add 2 or something to it. Ooh, look at that. That's a mixed, yeah, single line. Get furthest block. Distance of generator origin.
Are you kidding me? I know.
Get furthest block. We need to reverse this. Yeah. There we go. That's so sick. It's also what the heck? Okay. Why is it minus origin clone? What did I change that? I need to do that. Okay, offset dot clone. Okay, I get offset clone maybe dot set Y 0, BB set Y 0. AD is equal to AB dot distance length squared. BD is equal to BB length squared. Just making it a little bit simpler, you know. There we go. That looks nice. I think though it's a bit. Maybe if we divide by 2? So it looks a tad bit inaccurate. Divide by 3 for now. 3 times 2 times 2 divided by 3. Nope. Double. Actually, just freaking set these to doubles themselves, lol. Do that. There we go. That's pretty cool, man. Alright, let's go and commit this. Improve Christmas cheer.
Okay, what is this? Oh,
Alright.
okay. So basically, they're running around. I guess it's
It might be enough for today. There's some cool hardcore breaks. Like some actually really cool ones, all things considered. Let's see, what else does a Christmas tree generator do, Badger? Let's see. So it replaces some of the blocks with green. Okay, we can actually do that right now. It's gonna be in the factory though. So we'll do and modifiers. Class Christmas modifier extends on modifier implements. All right. So return 3 I'll get blocks. So 4 trees I'll get blocks. Get part block. Tree. Ooh, not that. 3 I'll get part block. I got leaf. We'll do private and then D. Public. Alright. So if I do the next float is greater than 0.1 F and continue. Percent chance, then block us set. Get block us. Get material matches. Tree block.
What is it people call
We'll also add core tag dot score. Cool. Goodness, material dot add all arrays dot list skull. Tag dot ban. Record dot add all tag dot ban. Okay, guys. Fix that. Yeah, blocks. Remove? You could. That's a bit risky though. Not a huge fan of that. We'll just add a wood. Boy.
You know that they either were really bad.
5 block. Laser. Provide support for speed temporary. Speed multiplication from
I think they fixed one. People are using linebackers a lot. Yeah, well, now he looks like
block. Alright, so what we're gonna do then is we're gonna what's a good way of doing this?
I don't know who's faster, Wagner or
Private map. Material. Let's see, float. Chances. Map. Chances. I'll put material dot glowstone. Set this to. Let's do a 0.3% chance. And chances. I'll put red full as a 0.5 chance. Put green full 0.5. Right. And then for entry material float and entry chances entry set. If on the next float is greater than chances of value entry value, then continue. Otherwise, we can do block modify bucket create block data for the material get. Alright. And then when we create this, we'll add a new tree. I'm gonna get tree trim tree. New tree factory. Tree dot modify new Christmas pointer. Trees. Dot build. Alright. See how this works. Hey, look at that! Woo! Woo! Look at that! It works. Might want to increase the chances though. We'll set this to 5. 40. I think 40% is fine. And then what we'll do is location highest block.
He's calling. This guy's calling 3 QB size.
Ooh. Yeah, that would be interesting. Nice block location. Instead of this, we'll have to do the highest 3 block. And then we can actually delete you. Turn null. Get target location be a get. Type mismatch, cannot convert from that to that. List of tree block. Tree block. Tree block. This will be interesting. B is equal to tree that get highest tree block. So there's that. If block top. If ooh, look at that. So tree dot get. So 4 blocks. So if block dot equals B, if block dot this get offset dot distance squared E dot get offset. If the distance is less than say 8, so we do double DST do double block dot get offset dot distance squared B dot get offset. So if DST is less than 8 and if on the next float is less than, we'll do divided by 8. So the further away it is, then the greater the chance. So if it's 8 out of 8 and if this is greater than 1, which it most likely won't, then it won't happen. In advantage of not block equals B. If this does happen, you'll continue. Otherwise, we will make this. For now, we'll set it to 7. Otherwise, we'll do block not modify bucket dot create material board block. Okay. So this way there'll be like a little star on top. And while that's creating, we'll just do a small one. Oh my god, look at that! It's pretty cute. Although the glow sun's a bit much. Yeah, alright, let's decrease the chance of that. Let's do 80.
Oh, cover 2 I can be both of them.
That's pretty cute though, look at that. Alright.
Oh my god, he's got
Let's do this.
wow.
If finding explode is less than 7, or block equals. Is that?
He's like, he knows how to beat with a lot of time to do, but he's not doing it. Okay. Wait, where do I put my thing on?
Oh, that's pretty cute.
10, 15, or 20.
Oh, we'll name this to leaf chances. Alright. For tree block tree. Okay, part type dot log trunk.
Oh, I already know.
If RNG.next float is greater than, I'll have a 10% chance that you block dot modify bucket material dot hole.
Oh, I suck.
Trunk.
Working on that, but only one that's seven. Open. Never mind, it's open. But before. Oh,
One
it's
point.
the wall.
So this
You're gonna get woods. There's no way.
this material dots whole block. Let's do a 5% chance. Coal or maybe a 10% chance. And stone. Yeah, 15%.
He's going for it. Huh.
Alright. What's that? So now
And he
should be coal somewhere.
got swung so hard down. I can tell
There you go. There's a stone there. That's pretty festive. What else do they do? What else do they do? Let's see.
So what he's doing, kind of interesting.
Interesting.
Finding a
So
lot
what
of,
they
like,
do
farming.
is they have that. I guess that would be a smart way actually of doing that.
I've just never seen.
For now though, I'm gonna export this.
Cover 3 is the worst.
First free.
Last year, cover
Fire.
3